Back again, peeps. It's your boy King James.
Yeah, boy, rich kid.
Don't know live once again. It's the Jamaican street. Oh, you got toasted, isn't it? Boy, fully same, fully done. So we have to take him out to the pool.
Yeah, man, when I need him another one.
Yeah, when I need him for that one.
Nah, take place another one.
Yeah, man, irrelevant. But anyway, peeps, as I can see from the title of the video, you don't know about high damage redeem, isn't it? Practical stuff. 68% combo.
Baraka with the very few strings does so many damage. Yeah, I do not know how.
Yeah, bro. You see me, so people. As I say, we are not pros. We're not bad speed out. Can't do all the thing, isn't me? But I appreciate the support and everything that you guys have shown us once again, and we'll keep making more and more content for you guys that don't know. Yeah, the brother.
Goat face.
I'm gonna say I'm the
Baraka the ram goat.
But anyways, let's start off the combo. You see me? Ready up. Yo, what you do? You ready?
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Alright.
Oh, I never press the button down.
Alright, he never do it.
Alright,
But when I press the fatal blow.
Ready up again. Lively. Lively. Lively.
Yeah!
You know, say I don't come down.
No, not the armor break, father.
Never done
Fatal blow.
Yo, here we go on, people. My mind in a different place. Alright, here we go on. Yo, alright, yo, stop keeping it down. Alright, ready?
Yeah, sure, ready.
Yo, no, I'm not ready yet, dog. Yo,
No,
stop
man,
keeping them.
check me and check. You ready? Alright, I'm ready now.
You sure you're not keeping again, dog? Yo.
I lost on that.
Alright, you sure, dog?
For now.
I already know what you have done for. Already.
That's a test, that's a test. Easy.
Ready, focus. Yeah. Alright, we're serious now. Alright, let's go. Ready, pen. 1. Yo, highly motivated.
Him reach far.
Yes!
I catch it!
Highly motivated.
I catch it!
Ready? Yo, I damage alone was saying now. Watch out, one of my life. How about this?
The man dead enough. Yo!
How about that? How about that?
Goat face!
No, but I'm done now. Stop it again.
Too much father. Look come alive there. Look come alive there, people. Exactly that's why, you know? That's the exact amount that Baraka use.
As a matter of fact, scratch the 68. I'll try to do it with the wire band. Why is it ready?
Alright.
Alright, now one video. Let's go. Focus. I make it now. Bruh. Yo, come on.
Alright, him drop it.
Alright, I'm never ready.
Wire banner. Action.
Action. Live. Live.
Oh my god.
Ooh. What happened there?
Don't look left at me.
I need another now. Yo, you know.
You know, say I want dance, man.
Yo, go on do the video. Go on do the video. Go on do the video.
I already know, live.
Come on. Timing.
Yo, why this not come on, father?
Boy,
yo, people. I do it
I'll
for
go,
the
man, and I
sauce.
have some things to do.
Yo, let's go now, father. Ready. I don't know why the button now come out already.
Alright, you catch it.
We'll see what we are now. We'll see
Well, I
what
go me there, just put on the controller and go on the people. Alright. 70. Nice. That extra spice.
People done, yo, people, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment,
Thumbs
share.
up for your boy, goat face.
Is in a gold face. And subscribe to the Jamaican channel for more content. You see me?
I respect again for all the support,
stop
peeps.
keeping on my youth. Yo,
Well, I'm just chopping, I'm chopping.
Stop keeping up, yo. Stop keeping.
Where did that?
Stop keeping.
Alright.
Yo, people, yo, today is live.